All right, most of us go to the doctor when we're sick, right? But have you ever considered going to the doctor to prevent yourself from getting sick? Dr. Jill Cole, you know what? She says that her objective with all of her patients is to achieve optimal health and wellness. And proof that her approach works is one of her patients joining us this morning, Chuck Perrin. Welcome, Chuck and Dr. Cole.
Thank you so much.
All right, Chuck, I'm going to get to you in just a second, but first of all, Dr. Cole, explain to us and those of us watching at home, what is your approach and how is it different than everybody else?
It's different because we not only do a complete medical assessment and we do in-depth laboratory testing to not only see if somebody is within normal limits, but what is functionally optimal on those laboratory tests. So the interpretation of the laboratory test is different, and our approach is natural, safe, and effective to really support the body in healing itself. And we're also very heavily education-based, right? Physician is teacher, so we give people the tools they need and the support to get healthy and stay healthy long-term for the rest of their life.
And I think once somebody understands why they are the way they are, feeling the way they are, it's so much easier than to take that approach to wellness.
Yeah, you have to understand what's going on if you're going to stick with something.
Absolutely. Chuck, I want to know, what made you walk into Dr. Cole's office to begin with? Where were you at that time?
Yeah, well, I've been retired about 15 years. I'm turning 75. And so I did an assessment, and according to the actuaries, I may live to be 90. So I have to figure out how to live well in the next 20 years.
We're looking at a before picture. This is what you look like when you walk in the office. You look at that picture, Chuck, what do you see?
I was bigger then.
Yes, you were. How much bigger?
About 40 pounds and 4 inches in the waist.
Did it get in the way of your golf game?
Well, it didn't help any.
No. You know, Chuck, I'm looking at these before pictures, and I'm looking at you now. And I have to tell you, you look amazing. I know that you went to Dr. Cole because you want to be healthy and live to 90. How are you feeling now, and what kind of changes did you have to make?
Yeah, I feel really good now, and it involves, like she said, education, tremendous lifestyle changes. We are what we eat, and we weren't eating right. And then also I take a lot of supplements, and I had to review all those to make sure they were the right ones, so we dropped some and added some. That got optimized, and then a lot of education.
Yes.
We learned why we do things we do.
How much weight have you lost?
About 40 pounds.
Good for you. What's your end goal here?
I'm a little over halfway there. I'd like to lose another 25.
Now, this process with Dr. Cole, is it as easy or as you thought it would be?
Well, no, you have to be committed to it because it involves, you know, changing the way you eat and the things you eat, how they're prepared. It means you have to do resistance training. I have a Bowflex machine at home that I use, and walking, and then of course learning. So all those things take real commitment.
Yes, and you know, and I know that Chuck is a big fan of yours, but Dr. Cole, optimizing, and use that word again, and that's, I just want everybody to really understand that your approach is taking everything that you're doing and you go in depth and analyze everything across the board.
Everything, and you can't address one thing without correcting everything else, and it's all connected.
Yes.
Migraines are connected to your gut. You know, you can't just focus on one thing, and you have to put all the pieces together to properly address and correct what's going on with someone.
Wow, well, thank you for the information, Chuck. I'm really, really proud of you. I would ask you to stand up and show us your after, but you said your pants would fall down.
Well,
will they stay
might
up?
happen. You want to take a chance?
Yeah, I would be willing to do that if you are, but look at you. You need to go wardrobe shopping, Chuck.
Yeah.
You need to go get some smaller clothes.
This is before clothes.
Good for you.
He's really narrow from the side now. It's unbelievable.
I am so proud of you, and I'm sure that your family is as well. Let me give you some information because Dr. Cole actually offers up a dinner and a presentation to help you understand how to lose weight, how you boost your energy. It's all comprehensive, dinner's included, but you need to make reservations and the seating is limited. Just mention Sonora Living when you do that, when you call in. Here's the number, 480-418-COLE or 2653. You can learn more at ColeOHS.com. Cole Optimal Health Solutions located at 14300 North Northside Boulevard, Suite 207. That's in Scottsdale. There's the phone number once again, and the website to make those reservations and learn more, ColeOHS.com.